Hi, this is an unboxing video and I've got a limited edition glossy box and this is what it looks like. It arrived this morning. It is super heavy. Now I have an idea of what's inside. I've been sent a press release from Glossybox. If you didn't know already, Glossybox have started sending me boxes so that I can unbox and show you what's inside. They've been doing this now for the last couple of months and I really appreciate it. It's really great. I don't get paid, I'm not sponsored. They just send me their products in exchange for a review to show on my channel. I love Glossybox. I've been subscribed to them for over a year, so yeah, it's great for me. Now this went on sale yesterday for subscribers and it goes on general sale today. So it retails at £30 a box, and if you're subscribed to Glossybox you can have it for £25. So if you haven't subscribed and you really like to and receive this box, I'll link the details down below, so click on the show more and that'll bring up description and all the information will be down there. Everyone that buys this limited edition box will go into a prize draw to win one of 100 Spectrum Glam Clam brush sets that retails for £59. So that's good as well. So let's see what's inside. As in all glossy boxes, it comes packaged like that with little tissue paper, a ribbon and a sticker, and we get a little card. So before I open this, I'll just look at inside here and tell you a little bit about what this limited edition theme is all about. It's really beautiful actually. It's really beautiful designed. There's 10 products inside here, a mix of skincare, makeup, hair care and tools as well. So I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown about what it is. So Glossy's Let's Go Vegan. Everything inside this limited edition box is vegan. That means all items do not contain any animal products, animal byproducts or animal derivatives. J-Lo, Ariana Grande, Miley Cyrus are just a few who have gone vegan recently. And you're one of the lucky few joining us for a limited edition vegan box. Filled with 10 vegan and cruelty-free products from remarkable brands, this is a glossy box with a difference. With a combined worth of more than £80, experience the joys of vegan skincare, hair care, makeup and matcha with this glossy box filled with 7 full-size and 3 deluxe mini products. A-list makeup and an eco-friendly tool. We believe that this is the perfect introduction to vegan beauty and we know you won't be disappointed. So Glossies, be kind, be beautiful. So I just read the little information in here. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. It is so heavy. I'm surprised they can manage to fit 10 items in here actually. But that's what that looks like there. So I'll just put it down to the side of me. So my first item is something rather heavy, and it's a head and hair heel mask by NILA or NILA. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, dandruff relief and hair growth, sulfate and paraben free, colour guard complex and produced in Sweden. It's got UV protection and it's 250 ml. So I'm assuming this would be a full-size product. Oh wow, that sounds wonderful, especially the prevent hair loss and increase hair growth. If you've been a subscriber on my channel for a while, you will know I have difficulties with my hair. It's all hormone related and I do wear some hair pieces just to thicken it up, but yeah, my natural hair is so thin and I lose quite a lot. So I'm just, oh, don't you just love when you just pull that? Ah! Oh, it is so thick and creamy. Oh, look. Ooh, nice and creamy. Right, I'm going to make a mess now. Hold on. Ugh. Oh, the smell is gorgeous, nice and fresh. Oh, that's so nice. God, there's quite a bit in here, isn't there? Oh, I've made a right mess now. Hold on. Now, we've had NILA products in a glossy box a couple of months ago. It was the shampoo and conditioner set. So now we've got a hair mask. So let's see what it says in the booklet. So this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price for this is £26.99. This multifunctional hair mask promotes a healthy scalp and stronger, shinier hair. It'll also put an end to unhappy hair by preventing both dandruff and itchy scalps while stimulating growth. After shampooing, apply to hair and leave for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. We recommend using this treatment 1 to 2 times per week. Oh, I can't wait to use that. That's such a great product. No, lovely. Next item. Oh, I love these foaming shower gels. Now we had one by Rituals, I think it was, with my Debenhams beauty card in as a monthly freebie a couple of months ago. They last quite a while because you only spray a little bit and a ton of foam comes out. Oh, I just love them. So especially because it's lemon and lime. I'm obsessed with lemons, citrus, I love it. And it says, yeah, 10 times more foam. I've never tried this one. I have tried Original Source, you know, the actual shower gels. The minty one is, yeah, quite strong on the body, if you know what I mean. But yeah, no, I do like it, but I've never tried this one. And I do love foaming gel, so I'm quite happy that I've received this. And it's lemon as well. See, I don't want to spray it. No, I won't spray it, because I know you only literally just press a tiny bit and a load comes out. I just want to smell the lemons. I can't do it, can I? No. Up to 35 showers, it says on here. I'll bring this on holiday, actually. I'm going to Greece next week, so no, I'll bring that. I'll put that in my bag. So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £3. It's naturally fragrance and paraben free. We know our glossies love a foaming shower gel with a zingy lemon and lime gel doesn't disappoint. This gel turns into incredible foam as soon as it leaves a bottle. The consistency is so good that it can double as a shaving foam too. Ooh. Get ready for an intense shower packed with 100% natural ingredients and essential oils. We just love how one bottle alone lasts up to 35 washes. So no, really chuffed with that. So next item, ooh, I can't grab it. It's an Eco Tools. This is so eco, and it's a eye shading brush. And it says that it's cruelty-free, unbelievably soft, hand cut and trimmed, vegan and vegetarian friendly, suitable for liquids and powder. Now I have a few Eco Tools, and they're quite nice. I love the feel of this brush. It's got indents to put your fingers. No, I really like it. So that's what that brush looks like there. You see there? If I'm out of the picture because it wants to focus on me. That's the brush. No, it's really nice. So this is obviously a full-size product, and the recommended retail price for this brush is £5. Developed to apply both liquid and powder eyeshadows, this makeup brush is made from sustainable bamboo, recycled aluminium and cruelty-free bristles. The hand-cut head makes achieving Instagram-worthy eye makeup a breeze, while the coloured tip highlights the amount of product on the brush. Sustainable, recyclable and ethically sourced. So another really nice item there. Next product, something teeny tiny, well not teeny tiny but small. What is this? WELEDA, and it's a Birch Cellulite Oil. Whoa, and it says 10 mils. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. So what's it say here? Helps improve skin tone and appearance, promotes skin healthy balance. Oh, I've got a ton of cellulite on my legs. Absolutely loads of it. I absolutely hate it. I haven't got the nicest legs anyway, but I get them out in the summer. I don't really care. But if I could change anything, it would be the cellulite. I don't know when it came, it's all behind me, so I don't get to see it that often. But when I'm in like a swimsuit or something and I've had a picture taken, it's like, oh, those lumps, I hate it. But everyone gets it, don't they, to some degree. So can this work miracles within 5 days, do you think? That's when I'm going to Greece. Do you think so? I need a ton of it, possibly. So that's what it looks like there. So it is a little oil in a bottle. So the information says that this is a Deluxe Mini and it's worth £2.95. For the full size, which is 100 ml, it would cost you £25.95. It says, say bye-bye to cellulite with a zesty natural treatment that's formulated to firm, smooth and tone your skin. It's made with organic birch leaf extract plus the nourishing plant oils of apricot, weak germ and jojoba. To tackle cellulite, we recommend using this oil twice a day for 4 weeks, then daily thereafter to maintain the effects. Applying circular motions over your thighs, hips and bum. Well, I'll give it a try. We'll see. I'm not expecting miracles, but we'll see. So no, I do love a good cellulite product. Not that I've tried many, but I think that would be, you know, if they wanted to introduce more products like this into beauty boxes, I'd be quite happy. So no, that's quite good. So the next item is a Dr. Organic Bioactive Skincare Vitamin E Super Hydrating Cream. So there you go. That's what the outer packaging looks like. So this is a 50ml. I'm assuming it's full size. I can open this and try it on my hand. Oh, it does. It smells like lemons. Oh. So is this for face? I'm assuming it's face or body. Oh, that is nice. Not too overpowering, but oh, just really nice and fresh. So let's see what it says in the information. It's safe to use on stretch marks, aging skin, scars, very dry skin, sun-exposed skins and dehydrated skins. Oh, I might bring this on holiday as well. So this is a full size and the recommended retail price for this is £8.49. So it says, perfect for using on your face and body. It works on stretch marks, scars and mature skin, a true multitasker. We love that it's so rich and absorbent and you aren't left feeling sticky. Instead, your skin feels instantly hydrated, silky smooth and radiant. This really is a wonder cream. Oh, that sounds wonderful. I'm definitely going to bring it on holiday with me. So yeah, not quite sure for that. Next item is a bottle of something. What is it? It's a shampoo and it's Hydrate Shampoo and it's by Tints of Nature and it's Simply Healthier Hair Colour. So this is a 70ml bottle. I've never heard of this brand before. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, I don't know, it smells like sweets. Quite nice and fresh and quite fruity, sweety sort of smell. So this is a Deluxe Mini and the recommended retail price for this is £3.99. It's made using only their best natural and organic ingredients. This ultra gentle shampoo uses aloe and natural extracts to cleanse and moisturise your hair. It's also pH balanced, free from damaging salts and sulfates and will leave your hair feeling silky soft. To top it off, the 100% natural sweet berry fragrance will leave your hair smelling as beautiful as it looks. It's really nice. So I might pop that in my bag as well to go to Greece. So yeah, this box is so far quite handy. There seems to be quite a lot of things that I would use, definitely. So next item, it's TROPIC Lip Fudge Lip Plumping Conditioner, Rosewood. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's really pretty, isn't it? Yeah, no, really nice packaging. I'm not sure if you can see. It looks like a really nice colour in there. Oh, like a colour I go for. Yes, definitely. Like a brownie red, sort of corally colour. Ooh. So it's lip. Oh, I've got lipstick on now, so I can't try it. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is just like fudge. I'm going to try it. I'm not sure what'll happen now. Now, let's try my hand just to see the colour. Very subtle. Oh, I do like it. I really like it. I'm not sure if you can pick it up there, but you can sort of see there is a tint. Ooh, I can feel it now. I think I've put some accidentally on my gums because my gums are starting to feel a bit odd. But no, oh, it's nice. I can't wait to try that without lipstick on. So the information in the booklet says this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price for this is £12. Bursting with nutritious exotic ingredients, this velvety mint and vanilla scented balm is bursting with 26 lip-loving plant extracts. A handbag essential, the mango wax and vitamins help to plump, smooth fine lines, repair and protect. We also love the glossy rose tint. Ooh, oh, I can't wait to try that now, properly, without the lipstick on, you know. That's really nice, I like that. Next item, something pink. Noughty to the rescue, and it's an anti-frizz serum for frizzy and damaged hair with sweet almond oil and argan oil. No parabens, petrochemicals, sulfates or silicons. The Noughty choice, vegan friendly, and it's 75 ml. That's what that looks like there. Ooh, I haven't tried this brand before. I know it's for your hair, but I just want to see what it's like smell wise and feel, I suppose. It just feels like a serum. Yeah, just quite very subtle smell, not much. My ends of my hair are really frizzy. I really wear my hair down naturally. I've usually got like my halo hairpiece on, but if I'm just at home going to the school run or whatever, then I do tend to put like a serum or a cream. I just run it through the ends just so that it gives it a bit more body, really, and makes it look more alive than completely dead. So this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price for this is £8.99. Packed with argan oil, sweet almond oil and free from all nasties, it's perfect for taming unruly hair. The deep nourishing formula also helps to repair dry locks and protect your hair when heat styling up to 220 degrees. Apply a pea-sized amount to towel dried hair, focusing on the ends before styling. So no, look forward to trying that as well. Next item, it's a mini or a deluxe mini Kat Von D tattoo liner. Now I absolutely love this eyeliner. It is so lovely. It is one of my favourite eyeliners. It's actually a brush with bristles, but it doesn't look like it. It just looks like a felt tip, but it's not. It's actual brush. But there's been a lot of controversy. I'm not going to go into it in this video, but if you are interested, just Google Kat Von D and I'm sure it'll all come up. She's been a bit of an idiot in all honesty, and yeah, it's annoying. It is really, it's disgusting, but I won't go into details. So I am a bit on the fence with this product. I know probably Glossybox weren't aware when they were thinking of putting items inside, but yeah, it's a shame that they've brought out this really amazing box from what I can see so far, and it happens to have this product in it. The product is amazing. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's just the person behind it. So I'll leave it at that. But anyway, if you want to know more about it, this is a Deluxe Mini and it's worth £6.18. This highly pigmented 24-hour wear formula is waterproof and transfer resistant, so those lines aren't going anywhere. Unlike traditional felt tip liners, this brush tip will not fray, helping you create effortlessly precise lines. Apply using light pressure for fine lines and add more pressure for a thicker, bolder eyeliner look. So this is a really nice product. It is a really good idea to put it in a box as well. It's just the timing isn't great, and I know a lot of people are not buying her products anymore because of the stuff that she's been saying recently, so that is a shame. But no, so that's that item, and I think we got one more left, and this is, which I read at the front, it's the Matcha green tea. So I like this pouch actually, it's quite cool. It's pure chimp super tea matcha green tea, specially grown green leaf tea ground into a fine powder, 100% natural, and it's 20 grams, and it says there's 20 servings. So that's what that looks like there. So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £4.95, and it says these specially grown matcha tea leaves are carefully ground so you can consume all their natural goodness. Filled with antioxidants, they will boost your metabolism and improve your concentration. Mix half a level teaspoon with hot water or your favourite milk. You can also use it in juice, smoothies, baking, and with cold water to make an iced matcha latte. Oh, that sounds nice, doesn't it? So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up. Right, I don't know how long I'll be able to hold these in my hands. You can see they're all here. There's 10 beauty products all in all, so I'll just pull them back down again. I know I got this box for free, but my honest opinion is that it's a really nice box. There's some nice stuff I'm going to be definitely bringing to Greece with me, and the fact that it's vegan and the keepsake box is absolutely beautiful with the inside. So no, I'm really chuffed, so thank you Glossybox for sending that to me. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Is it something that you might be interested in, or if not, I'd love to know why, what's your feedback on it, etc. As always, if you enjoyed this unboxing, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I've got a ton of travel videos coming up. I'm going away, as you know, to Greece next week, so while I'm in Greece I'll be putting up my Italy vlogs, which I went to Italy about 5 weeks ago, and I've been having trouble editing. It's all shaky. It's a long story, I won't go into it, but if you're not interested in my travel vlogs, then don't worry, once I come back from Greece everything will resume and I'll go back to beauty. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.